Hey everyone, Michael Ferrara here, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Today, we're going to try re-gripping some clubs for the very first time. See, grab out my 9-iron here. As you can see, these grips are terrible, right? Haven't been re-gripped in a while. So, what I did is, again, this is my first time. So, I bought some double-sided tape solution, so we're going to use that. I got double-sided tape, which I will leave the description of these in the comments below, and we got our grips. So I went with, I'll throw them everywhere. I went with the Golf Pride CP2 standards because I got this on my driver when I had one of my drivers re-gripped. So we're gonna try these. I went to Menards, and here's what I got. So I just got I don't know, this is for like if you're plastering wallpaper, doing drywall, whatever. Figure we can just put the club over this when we pour the solvent in, and then we can pour the solvent back in the bottle because we can reuse it. So I got this. I bought hook blades, which will go with the utility knife here. Get out all this stuff. So it's got a basic utility knife, which I'll use with the hook blade to take off the grip. Then I got another knife with blades. This will get the, hopefully get the double-sided tape off, whatever. I also have, this is just a bottle, but basically what's in this is acetone, so it'll help get the sticky off. I got a golf towel, which I'll use to wipe off the thing before we put it on. And last but not least, I got some gloves. So, without further ado, let's get into this. Let's start tearing off one of these grips, all right? All right, so here we go. Mr. 9-iron, hook blade. All right, that went through nicely. All right, as you can see, we got it coming off here. All right, so I just pulled it through with the hook blade. Look at that. Voila. First one came off. All right, so now we got the old sticky tape on here. Got this utility knife. So we're going to set her down. Just going to scrape her away. So I don't know if you can see it, but it's coming right off. Just kind of, see, I'm just scraping it. It's coming off nice and easy, so let me go ahead and finish that here. Alright, so it's coming off pretty easy. So you don't need a vice grip or anything like that, which, you know, everyone's like, you definitely need a vice grip. You don't need no vice grip. You can do this without a vice grip. You probably have a vice grip. It makes it a lot easier, but I ain't got one, so this is what we're going to use. And so far, it's working out pretty nice. Alright. Pretty much off. So what I'm going to do now is take my golf towel, take my acetone, I'm going to pour it on here a little bit, and I'm just going to wipe this nice and clean, get the rest of this sticky off. I don't think it has to be perfect, but because you're just going to put more tape over it anyways, but we're just going to get it nice and done. And voila, we pretty much have it a little off. There's just a little bit more here. So I'll get out of the way. All right, so there you have it. We got the double-sided tape off. Now the next step, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the double-sided tape on. So let me get that ready, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that we have the shaft nice and clean, now when you take a double-sided tape, all right, and we're gonna measure it to the size of our golf grip. All right, so let me grab a grip here. So here we go. We got the grip. Easy thing to do is just take it, put it to the tape here. There you go. And then we're going to go ahead and cut it. Got some scissors. We'll go ahead and cut it. All right, so now we have our tape measured to our grip, same size. All right, that's important. The next step is we're going to go ahead and put this on our club. We're going to put this on the shaft. Now, when you're putting it on the shaft, you want to leave a little gap at the top, because see how there's a hole there? You don't want junk and stuff getting in there, then you have that rattle in your club, and trust me, no one likes a rattle in their club, right? So here's what we're going to do. Go ahead and line this up. So I'll show you here. Usually I use about like a finger length above here. So there we go. So now it's on the club. See how we have the little overhang? We're just going to fold that in. So let me go ahead and put this on here. Just kind of roll it on. Just kind of rolling it over here. Then what we want to do is you want to find that little tab. Find that real quick here. So we can peel the other side of the double-sided tape off. Alright, so there we go. So we got the other side. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tear this off. Which should come off better than that. That didn't come off the greatest there. Alright, so there we go. I'm just going to kind of fold this in. Alright, so there you go. Double-sided tape is on. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put the grip on. Now this is very important, okay? When you go to put this grip on, it is ideal, like not ideal, I messed up the first time. What you want to do is you want to make sure that you're going to pour the solvent into here and then pour it over the grip, okay? Because if you don't, trust me, it's a pain in the butt trying to get this on. So what you do is kind of hold your finger over the bottom, take your solvent, we're going to pour it in there. Like so. Take our grip, put it over here, then we're just going to pour this over it, get it nice and lubed up. Alright, now that that's like that, we're just going to take our grip. Since they're both nicely lubricated, which lubrication is key, we're just going to slip it over the top. Maybe. Again, if you have a grip, if you have a vise grip, I'm sure this is super easy. But guess what? I don't got one. So put that on all the way in. Give it a few taps on the ground and voila! We got our new grip on our club. So there you go. And if you got ones with a certain lineup, you just make sure that, you know, you line them up properly. But all in all, that's all it took. And it was only a couple minutes or so. So good luck with getting your grip in your new clubs, and now you know you can do it at home. Again, I don't have a vice grip. If I did, I'm sure it'd be a lot easier. They have little rubber things you can put on the shaft so you don't mess up your shaft. But re-gripping your club at home, not so terrible. And why not? Something to do during the winter, right? But if you have any questions, any concerns, any comments, you need any hints or whatever, leave the comments in below and I'll be happy to get back to you. But otherwise, I appreciate you guys, and I hope you have yourself an awesome day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Back with you.